The problem says to use the sample data and confidence level to construct the confidence interval estimate of the population proportion P. We're told that N is 500, X is 400, and we are to construct a confidence interval such that the endpoints would give us 90% confidence. Okay, so we'll click statcrunch. Stat, proportions, one sample, and then with summary. If we had all of those observations in a column, we would click with data. But since we're given N and X, we're going to click with summary. And then we are asked for the number of successes. Well, that's X. X represents the number out of 500 that answered favorably to whatever the survey might have been. So 400. And then number of observations, 500. And we'll click next. We're not going to perform a hypothesis test. We're going to construct a confidence interval. And the problem tells us that we are to have a confidence level of 90%. Click Calculate, and it gives us quite a bit of information down here. This is the data that we put in. There were 400 successes out of 500 observations. That sample proportion, X over N, is 0.8. That's represented by P hat. Here's our standard error, and then the lower limit of this interval would be 0.771 if we round to 3 decimal places, as it says in the problem. So 0.771, and the upper limit would be 0.829. So we'll put those values into the boxes. And we'll click check the answer, and it says we did a good job. Now the way we would interpret this interval is we would say that we are 90% confident that the actual population proportion is between 0.771 and 0.829.